Young people are more than capable of occupying these spaces. Your voice is valuable, your perspective is valued, your opinions are important. You can be a catalyst for change. Hello, my name's Callum. I'm a youth worker, a community facilitator and filmmaker, and I'm also a member of the Wales Committee. I'm going to Carnarvon as part of our Strategy Away Day. The Strategy Away Days are really important because it gives us committee members a chance to visit the projects that we funded and see what difference the money that we've given out has made in different communities. It's just really inspiring to see community members take a lead and try and make a change and try and make life better for the people that they care for and the people around them. And I think it's just an amazing thing to see. My journey into youth work started when I first attended a drama workshop run by Mess at the Mess Theatre Company, which is a youth theatre company based in Ammanford, where I grew up. Being gay and in the closet, living in a very rural area, it felt quite isolating. I didn't really have anywhere where I could kind of be myself or express myself creatively. Going to these weekly workshops and taking part in the different projects and productions that Mess at the Mess would run really gave me an outlet, gave me something to do where I could be myself and I could be flamboyant and loud and crazy, and it was okay. Not only did it help me feel more comfortable in myself and who I was, it also has led me to the career that I have now. My role at the National Lottery Community Fund is as a member of the Wales Committee, specifically as a youth voice member, having young people more involved in decision making, giving them a voice within these spaces. So I was one of the 5 young people that have been appointed specifically to governance roles within the National Lottery Community Fund. And the idea behind that is to have young people in the room present, taking part in making these really important decisions. Being a young person in the room is really important because you might bring up a perspective or a point that others might miss. I can use my lived experience to really influence and inform the decisions that are being made, or the kind of suggestions being made by my fellow committee members that may have not considered something before I offered my perspective as a young person. What I'd want young people to understand or to kind of take from this video is believing in yourself. Your voice is valuable, your perspective is valued, your opinions are important. You can be a catalyst for change. And then I guess what I'd like the adults to reflect on and to understand is that young people are more than capable of occupying these spaces and making these decisions. What they need is just someone to give them a chance to be able to do that and to empower them to see value in their own voice, their own perspectives and their own lived experience.